All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Kia Sportage. It's beautiful white with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, fog lights. Super nice, only 14,000 miles in this vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I do not see any curbing. Check out your tire tread, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. And your tire tread is over 830 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. Got your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. Very nice. I don't see no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump in here. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures. Actually, no owner's manuals. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Very nice. You get your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does need windshield washer fluid, which I'll put some on. And your mileage of 14,230. Very nice. Pretty much completes the tour. It looks like it's all-wheel drive. It's got the lock system, so I guess this car is all-wheel drive. I wasn't sure. Now I am. All right. Very nice. Keep it moving. What's the other stuff? That's about it. Or hill assist. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Has a little chippy there. Two more there. Other than that, the lift gate looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. Alright. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire tread over 830 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks very nice. Front fender looks good as well. Here's your front passenger rim. And your tire tread is over 730 seconds. They have some curbing. Very minimum. About 2 inches here. Some scratches here, about 2-3 inches. All right. Let's check it out. Fog lights, headlights. Everything is working, folks. Once again, this is the 2018 Kia Sportage with only 14,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.